everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share a few of my favorite products from Plum. So as you might know, Nykaa's Hot Pink sale is going on right now and there's flat 20% off on Plum, and you also get this kajal free if you order for more than 999, like that is 1000 rupees. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I genuinely like Plum as a brand. I think they make amazing products. So if you want to buy anything from Plum, you can just watch this video and decide if you like anything. So without a further ado, let's get started. The first product is this Plum Kajal, which you will get for free if you buy for more than 999. This is a great regular kajal. If you're somebody who wears kajal on a daily basis, I feel this is great. It's good quality as well, and it also came with this sharpener for free, so you don't really have to buy a separate sharpener for this. I'll just swatch it for you. It looks so funny. It was so difficult to draw looking into the camera, but anyway, you get the swatch right. Like, it's really pigmented and it does not smudge that easily. As you can see, like, I'm trying so hard to remove this, but it did not smudge at all. So this is great. You will obviously have to use a makeup remover or any oil-based cleanser to remove this. Don't use water to remove makeup, you guys. Next is this cleansing balm. I really wanted a good cleansing balm since my Clinique Take the Day Off remover got over. So I'm currently using oil-based cleanser, which is going to get over as well. So I was looking for a good cleansing balm and I received this. Like, I'm so lucky. So cleansing balms are really good for dry skin, even for combination skin as well. If you want to get rid of the dirt and makeup and oil-based impurities, so you can use this as your first step in cleansing to melt down your makeup and the oil-based impurities. And after this, you can go in with your regular cleanser or face wash. And this does a great job at removing your makeup. And what I like the most about these Plum products is that they come with really cute notes. You make me melt. These are really cute words, you guys, and I love to read letters, especially if they are written so cutely. And this comes with all these box products, so I love that. And also comes with this scoop, so you don't really have to put your dirty hands inside to contaminate the product. So always use this scoop and take out a little bit. Cleansing balms are supposed to be melted first in your hands. You can also melt this on your face while applying so that it becomes like an oil, and you massage it for a few seconds to melt down your makeup, and then you add a little water so that it forms like a milky consistency. And also after that, you're supposed to massage it for a few seconds and then wash it off. This is how a regular cleansing balm works. I'll just demo it for you guys to remove the kajal. I'll just massage this for a few seconds, and as you can see, it takes a little bit of time for this kajal, especially your regular makeup. It will take off really quickly. This kajal is really long lasting, so you need to massage it for a little longer, but it comes off completely with this cleansing balm. This has become a mess, so I'll just wash my hands and be back. So the kajal has completely gone, as you can see. So if you're looking for a good cleansing balm or a good makeup remover, you can go for this. The next product is the Chamomile and White Tea Face Mask. It's called Glow Getter Face Mask. So it's supposed to give you like a glow. So this is a clay mask actually, and till now whatever clay masks I've used are quite drying, because clay masks are supposed to be for oily skin and they kind of cleanse your pores and stuff, but this is not that kind of clay mask. This did not dry out my skin, like it was not stripping. Actually, after washing it off, my skin felt hydrated, and this is meant for dry, normal to combination skin. So if you're an extremely oily skin type, this might not be for you. They have another range for oily skin. Green tea range, I believe, is for oily skin, so you can check out the reviews for that if you're looking for a good mask. And it tingles a bit after you apply, and it says that it tingles because it's a bentonite clay mask. So this is the first time I'm using something like this. So I read a bit about this. So bentonite clay masks are actually good for cleaning the dead skin cells, so it's kind of like exfoliating. So you should not use this for more than once a week. It also says not to use it for more than once a week. And also don't exfoliate soon after using this or before using this. You can exfoliate after maybe 1 or 2 days, as it kind of does the job of exfoliating as well, according to me. So yeah, this did not like stretch out my skin like regular clay mask. So this is actually good for dry skin. Also, if you're looking for a good clay mask, and if you're a dry skin type, you can go for this. And you're supposed to let it dry for like 30 minutes. nuts. And after applying this, I got that instant glow, you know, like that facial kind of glow. I mean, not that intense, but it did definitely make a little bit of difference. Like it brightened up a little because my skin was looking really dull because I had not exfoliated for like 1.5 weeks. I was feeling really lazy last week, so I did not even do proper skincare. I should just wash my face and apply moisturizer. So my skin was kind of looking dull because of not exfoliating. And after this mask, I could clearly see my skin looked much better. Like it had nice glow. So if you're looking for a good clay mask which will exfoliate, clean dead skin cells and give you glow, and if you have dry skin, you can go for this. The next product is the Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. So last year I had gifted this to my friend for her birthday, and even that time I loved the note, and this note is my favorite so far. It's really cute. You can pause this video and read it if you want to. It feels personalized, and after gifting this to my friend, I really felt like using this, and luckily it got sent to me last year in winter, and that time my skin was even more dry, right? So I used this and it did not suit me because it's meant for oily skin, and I have dry skin, like dry to combination, but in the winter it was even more dry, so it broke me out. So if you're dry skin, I don't recommend this to you, but if you're an oily skin, I feel this is amazing because I heard so many oily skin people rave about this product. So the one I used in winter I gave to my cousin because I couldn't really use it anymore, and I again received this because of this sale. So I gave it to Saish for use because he has extremely oily skin and it worked for him. So I would recommend this only if you are oily skin type. I'll just put a small clip of me using this product. It was filmed last year. Its consistency is really great. It's gel based consistency and it's really hydrating, and it also has glycolic acid in it, which is great. You must be knowing how much I love glycolic acid. It is amazing for your skin. One of the cons in this, actually even for the mask, one of the cons for both of these is the fragrance. I mean, it can be an advantage as well for some people. Like some people like their skincare to smell good. These smell amazing, but because of the fragrance, some people might be sensitive to it. A lot of sensitive skin people are sensitive. I said sensitive many times. Okay, so they are basically sensitive to fragrances. So if you're somebody who has sensitive skin or whose skin is sensitive towards fragrances or scents in skincare products, this might not be for you. So definitely do your research. So these were the 4 products sent to me as part of this sale. I also want to share a few of the products which I've been using since more than a year and which I really love. So the first one is the Plum shampoo. I mean, I don't have the shampoo with me right now because it got over. I used 2 bottles of that and I did not buy it again because I have a lot other shampoos to finish. I like to use different shampoos, but I really enjoyed using that shampoo. So if you're somebody who has color treated hair, it's actually meant for chemically treated hair. So if you have chemically treated your hair or like colored your hair, this shampoo is perfect for you. This is not a clarifying shampoo, so it's not going to remove oil buildup or a lot of product buildup, but this is a basic mild sulfate free shampoo. It is CG friendly. It is sulfate, silicone, paraben, like all those chemicals free. It says that it is free of 7 harmful chemicals. I'm not gonna read it. You can definitely read that on the site. So that shampoo is really great if you have curly hair and if you wash your hair more than once a week. So in the middle of the week you can just use this shampoo and lightly cleanse your scalp. It will not strip your hair from the oils so that the moisture is retained, and it does not cause foam, and it also has this conditioner. I had bought a combo, that's why I have this conditioner. Even this is my second bottle and I enjoyed using this conditioner as well. So if you're going for shampoo, mostly people like to go for the conditioner from the same range, so you can go for this conditioner. It's pretty decent. I liked it. The next one is the under eye recovery gel. I really enjoy using this. I don't know if it reduces the appearance of dark circles, but I definitely enjoy using this because of the effect it gives me. It definitely feels very cooling, calming, and it's very hydrating because the under eye area can be quite dry. You need to hydrate it, and this is a really mild formula to be used under the eyes. So I really love using this. So if you're looking for something like this, you can go for this. So that's it for this video. These were all my favorite products from Plum. Let me know if you're gonna buy anything from this sale, and if you did, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know what you bought, and the links for all these products will be there in the description box below, so you can check it out. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you found this helpful. If you have more questions about any of these products, please leave them down in the comments down below. I will get back to you. And also please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I upload new videos every week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.